channel. Today is Wednesday, which means it's a Walt Disney Wednesday. And can I just tell you, these ears, we got compliments on Instagram, we got compliments in the park, we got so many compliments on these ears. I love them. We did not get to meet Woody in them, so we're hoping to take them back to the park and find him so that he can take a picture with our amazing ears. But these ears are so much fun. They are actually, a couple of pieces of them are hand painted. So that is what I'm gonna be showing you guys in this tutorial, is the pieces that I hand painted and how I used some puffy paint, and then also how I used some regular acrylic, watered down acrylic paint and or watercolor paint. So you can just use different paints for these. This is a hat I got at Walmart. The tutorial you are going to see is me using more of a pleather hat. This is more of a fake suede hat. When I was trying to put the rope onto the pleather hat, it was not sticking. Nothing was sticking to the pleather hat. So if you are doing Woody, go to Walmart and make sure you get this more like fabric-y one, because the hot glue will actually adhere. So I actually tried Gorilla Glue, and then the Gorilla Glue melted the pleather. So that hat was just done. No using pleather hats for Mickey ears if you're gonna be gluing anything to them. So we just used a bandana and some felt, and I painted this and painted this and painted this, and I'm gonna show you how we paint it, and let's get going. Alrighty, to get started, I'm just gonna use some watercolor. I have this watercolor palette in my Amazon store if you want to find it, as well as the brushes. If not, I got it at Michael's. And I just cut out a piece of fabric. I'm using just a muslin piece of fabric so that I can paint on it. And I'm just going to paint it all one solid color. And then I'm gonna go in with another brush and paint just some checkers onto the yellow. This is obviously for Woody, and this will be his shirt. So this can be done with any character that you want to do, or any pattern that you want to do. I just love the idea of making it look like it's sketchy and hand painted and super artistic. For the other ear, I'm just going to do another example for you, which would be the clouds. The way I like to make anything white on something that's already white is just to outline where the white is going to be. So I'm painting the outside of the clouds, and then I'm going to fill in the rest with the blue, and this will be the blue clouds like from Toy Story. Then to finish these off, I am going to just sew them together like I would our Mickey ear tutorial that I have on my channel, and I'm just gonna follow through the steps of sewing them together and turning them right side out. Otherwise, if you want to know the rest of the steps, you can check out my best Mickey ear tutorial video that I have in the playlist. And basically you just sew them together, stuff them with foam, and you're good to go.